How to connect Samsung Smart TV to iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to connect your iPhone to a Samsung Smart TV in just a few easy steps. Whether you want to watch videos, share photos, or mirror your screen, I'll show you the simplest way using AirPlay. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your devices are on the same Wi-Fi. First, make sure both your iPhone and your Samsung TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is super important, otherwise they won't be able to talk to each other. Step 2. Turn on AirPlay on your Samsung TV. On your Samsung TV, go to Settings, then scroll to General and select Apple AirPlay Settings. Make sure AirPlay is turned on. You only need to do this once. Your TV will remember it for the next time. Step 3. Start screen mirroring from your iPhone. Now, grab your iPhone and swipe down to open the control center. Tap on screen mirroring, and your Samsung TV should show up on the list. Tap your TV's name to connect. Step 4. Enter the code. A code might pop up on your TV screen. Just type that code into your iPhone when prompted. And that's it. Your iPhone screen will now appear on your Samsung TV. Optional. Use it for videos, apps, and photos. Now you can open apps, play videos, show photos, or even use it for presentations, all directly from your iPhone to your big screen. If your TV doesn't support AirPlay, you can also use the Samsung SmartThings app or a Lightning to HDMI adapter. Let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on those methods too. And that was the tutorial on how to connect your iPhone to a Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. And leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.